Hi, welcome. Tara, unbox. Oh, adjusting light. Okay, eto, we're struggling how to open. Kung saan dulo ba tayo mag-open. Pero parang nagawa din natin. Ayun. So, anong shade kaya ito? Ang ganda ng case. Ang pink, tsaka silver. Parang yung shade niya pala dito is called Rose Waltz. Parang soft rosy pink with natural shine, lightweight, glossy, and hydrating for vitamin E. Oh, etong next item natin is Shell's Jewel Collection Silk Satin Blush. Yung compact niya, parang glowing seashell. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. May bow pa yan, o diba? Shade nito is Coral Reef Kiss. Warm coral pink with smooth satin finish. Buildable, soft, and not glittery. Ang ganda niya, as in, tingnan nyo. O, diba? Wow. Wow. Next item, tawag dito, Swan Ballet Series na 6-color eyeshadow palette. Ang ganda, kahit yung case lang yung glitter din. Tingnan mo. Grabe, napaka-shiny. Parang super luxurious yung casing. Ayan, tingnan mo. Inside are 6 graceful shades. Wow. Matte beige, dusty rose, pearl shimmer, silver metallic, stage light glitter, and a deep brown. Ganda. Open. Diba? May bali, shoes and tutus. Eto naman, parang sponge lang sa finger, tap para sa blush dun. Tsaka kung gamit nyo yung mga concealer, ganda, soft siya. Tap. Di pala kasya yung dalawa. Isa lang. Yan. Isa lang talagang finger yung makakasya dyan. Ganda. Diba? Uy, kamusta ka, Maria? Ito, okay lang. Bye. See you later. Yung last item natin is yung makeup remover wipes nila. Alcohol-free with aloe and chamomile. So, eto na nga. First time natin mag-unbox ng ganito. Shoutout pala kay Janelle who gave us these items during my birthday. Salamat naman. And bye.